Hello friends, day 39, and I got a cracking good start this morning. I was up at 4 and away by 5, so I got a really good view of the beautiful sunrise, which you'll see shortly. Anyway, Stanbury, lots of potential, but ultimately disappointing. Sounds like my report card when I was at school, but actually I'm talking about the village of Stanbury, which I went through today and had lunch at the Silent Inn, and it was okay, but not as good as I'd hoped. So I cracked on after lunch and I've made good time. And the other place that I went to today was past the cottage that apparently inspired Wuthering Heights, which you'll also see shortly. So see you on the trail. Last night's campsite turned out to be not quite as good as I'd hoped. It turned out that all the local lads and lasses went up there for their Saturday night party, and they didn't finish till about 2 o'clock. Thank goodness for earplugs. So this is where I am tonight, a bit quieter I hope.